Mike Hughes here. I'm at Riot Kayaks, and I'm here with Mark, who's going to tell us a little bit about our new kayak that you're trying to pedal.
Yeah, Mako 12 from Riot Kayaks. The lightest pedal drive on the market at 8 pounds. Walking on the deck here, as you see. Open to the elements, so it's wide open. The salt water goes in and out. We don't really care. Flush it out when you finish using it.
Right.
And then you want to use it, just drop it in the slot. Lock it down with the pins. And off to the races you go.
On both sides.
Forward and backwards. Easy as pedaling one way or the other.
Easy as riding a bike in the water.
That's exactly
on the
it.
Ocean. Cool. Can they use it in conjunction with paddles too, or?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you can. If you don't want to use this, or if you're in shallow water, just put it up on the deck out of the way. Paddle away. Make sure you've got yourself a good 150 or 250 centimeter paddle. It needs to be long enough to get over the beam of the boat.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
This is the new Santa sleigh.
Can't go there. Okay. And if they want more information, they can go to
RiotKayaks.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oops.